good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching me from. I welcome you back to today's lecture. Happy weekend, all of us, and how are we all doing? Um, please don't forget to share. Let's share the video, please. Let's share the video. Let's just spend 1 minute in sharing the video before we start the lecture so that other people will join, okay? So please share and like the video. Please share the video and like the video. Share the video and like the video. Share. Please share, do well by sharing the video. Share it for others to join, okay? Share the video, please. Share the video, please. And welcome all of us. How are we doing? How is the weather? Wherever we are watching from, please share the video, okay? Help me to share the video so that others will join, okay? Let's keep sharing, please. Let's keep sharing. Share. Let's keep sharing the video, okay? Let's keep sharing. Share the video. Share the video. Share the video. Share. Share the video, please. Share the video for others to join, okay? Share the video for others to join. Share the video for others to join. Please keep sharing. Keep sharing the video. Keep sharing the video for others to join, okay? Keep sharing the video for others to join. Let's keep sharing. Share. Share the video. Please, let's share. Let's share, okay? Yeah, okay. So welcome everybody to today's lecture. Please, I must apologize that the lecture we had last weekend, precisely on Sunday, I don't know what really transpired and it was deleted from the channel. So I must apologize for that. And I think after the lecture today, we are going to have a brief lecture. And after the lecture, we'll have a kind of recap of what we learned that last Sunday so that it will be in the channel. So that those who were not there, who didn't watch live, will be able to partake in the lecture, okay? So today, we are just going to learn what some certain things are called in Igbo language. You know, we don't have specific things like maybe fruit or just names of things in Igbo language. So, and there we'll have, number one, we'll have family. We'll have family. What is family called? Ezinụlọ. Family. Ezinụlọ. Family. Ezinụlọ. Family. Ezinụlọ. Family. Ezinụlọ. Sibling. Nwanne. Sibling. Nwanne. Friend. Enyi. If you want to say my friend, you say enyim, but this is friend, enyi. My friend, enyim. My sibling, nwannem. My sibling, nwannem. Sibling, nwanne. My family, ezinụlọ. So what you need to know is anything mine is in Igbo. Anything mine is in Igbo. That's M. M. In English, in Igbo. So when you want to say mine, you know that whatsoever you are calling, you have to put M at the back. That is the If it is my family, it is ezinụlọ. You put M at the end. If it is my sibling, one name, you put M at the end. If it is my friend, enyim, you put M at the friend. And then we have house. House. Olo. So can someone tell me what it is when you say my house? My house. If you want to say my house, it is olom. You put M at the end. Okay? Then we have star. Star in Igbo is kpakpando. 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 Sun in Igbo, anwụ. 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 Dog in Igbo is nkịta. 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 Cat in Igbo is busi. Bus. Money in Igbo is ego. Hot in Igbo is ọkụ. Ọkụ. You know, you have two things we call ọkụ in Igbo. Hot, ọkụ. Fire, ọkụ. So I'll put it under fire. Ọkụ. And you know that when you are writing it, this is O sound. It's not O. I'm supposed to put dash under it, which makes it to be O. This is O. You now put dash under it. O. Oku. Hot. Oku. It is hot. Odi oku. It is hot. Odi oku. Fire. Oku. Fire. Oku. Then cold. Cold in Igbo is oyi. Life in Igbo is ndụ. Life, ndụ. So let's just have a brief reverse on it, and then let's revise it, then we'll be able to go back to where we learned on Sunday. So we'll have family, ezinụlọ, sibling, nwanne, friend, enyi, house, ụlọ, star, kpakpando, sun, anwụ, dog, nkịta, cat, bus, money, ego, hot, ọkụ, fire, ọkụ, cold, oyi, cold, oyi, life, ndụ, life, ndụ. Then let's just have a repeat of what we learned last week Sunday. So I learned orange, and we said it's oroma. Oroma. Then African star apple. African star apple, and we said it's odara. Oil bean. Oil bean, and we said it's oba. Oil bean, oba. Oil bean, oba. Oil bean, oba. Oil bean, oba. Plantain. Plantain. Ogede. 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 Coconut. Coconut. Aki bekee. Aki bekee. Aki bekee. Palm fruits. Palm fruits. Palm fruits. Ukwu nkwụ. Ukwu nkwụ. Ukwu nkwụ. Ukwu nkwụ. Melon. Egusi. 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 Palm kernel. Palm kernel. Palm kernel. Ake. Palm kernel. Ake. Locust beans. Locust beans. Ọkpa. Ọkpa. Mushroom. Mushroom. Ero. Mushroom. Ero. Mushroom. Ero. Watermelon. Watermelon. Anyụ mmiri. Anyụ mmiri. Anyụ mmiri. Groundnut. 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 Ahụekere. 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 Pineapple. Pineapple. Nkwaba. Nkwaba. Pineapple. Nkwaba. Apple. Achịcha. Apple. Achịcha. Apple. Achịcha. Apple. Achịcha. Pawpaw. mbukpa, purple, purple, mbukpa, mbukpa, tomato, tomato, otuboala, 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 tomato, otuboala, tomato, velvet tamarind, velvet tamarind, velvet tamarind, velvet tamarind, icheku, icheku. So let's go back from the beginning and then we'll be able to close for the day. Let's start from today's lecture. Family ezinụlọ. Family ezinụlọ. Family ezinụlọ. Sibling nwanne. Friend enyi. House ụlọ. House ụlọ. Star kpakpando. Star kpakpando. Sun anwụ. Sun anwụ. Dog nkịta. Cat busu. Money ego. Hot ọkụ. Fire ọkụ. Cold oyi. Life ndụ. Orange oroma. African star apple ụdara. Oyibi ụgba. Plantain ogede. Coconut akị bekee. Coconut akị bekee. Palm fruit ukwu nkwụ. Melon egusi. Melon egusi. Palm kernel akị. Palm kernel akị. Locust beans ọkpa. Locust beans ọkpa. Watermelon anyụ mmiri. Watermelon anyụ mmiri. Mushroom ero. Mushroom ero. Groundnut ahekere. Groundnut ahekere. Pineapple nkwaba. Pineapple nkwaba. Apple achịcha. Apple achịcha. Pawpaw mbukpa. Pawpaw mbukpa. Tomato otuboala. Tomato otuboala. Velvet tamarind icheku. Velvet tamarind icheku. Thank you so much. So today we'll come to the end of today's lecture. We'll come to the end of today's lecture, and I thank you all for your wonderful participation. I will see you back here at Classic ZIZARA TV, same time tomorrow for another wonderful and interesting topic. Thank you so much and stay safe wherever you're watching from. Please don't forget to share the video, don't forget to like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and bye-bye till tomorrow. Bye-bye.